Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales training in the world. I wanted to remind you, I've only got a limited amount of time on these videos here. If you're looking for more tips, actionable tips, if you want to go just a little bit deeper, the next step for you is to head over to Easton University, check it out, and you can always jump on our free VIP tips mailing list. You'll see it right there on the homepage. And I'm going to send you longer format videos that we're going to take a little bit more time and we're going to dig a little bit deeper. Again, you can jump on that list for free. Just head over to eastonuniversity.com, check it out, put your email in the list, and I'll send you more videos that are gonna help you get more done in less time with less effort. You're gonna have more fun and you're gonna make a lot more money. My name is Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.